236 is in the third quadrant. So we add an acute angle to 180 to get this. So it will be sine 56 degrees. If you want to know the acute angle, subtract 180 from this. 236 minus 180, you get 56. This angle here is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos, sorry, it's supposed to be minus, by the way. It's negative sine 56. Right? 169 is in the second quadrant, and sine, sorry, cos is negative. So we have to subtract an acute angle from 180, or you can just say subtract this 169 from 180, you get minus cos 11 degrees. Right? Then 371 is in the fourth quadrant. Okay? Subtract this from 360, you get 9 degrees. This angle here, sorry, it's in the first quadrant, so you have to subtract 360, you get 11. So that will be plus cos 11 degrees. Please take note, 371 is in the first quadrant. Do you agree with me then? Because it's more than 360. So 371 minus 360 will give you 11 degrees. I'm not guessing. Okay? Then sine minus 56, that will be minus sine 56 degrees. So 4 marks so far. Yes.
4 marks to do that?
Yes. 1 mark, 4. If you know your reductions, you can collect a lot of marks. Right? Then, from here now, we have to now introduce compound angles. So we have got 56 here, we have got 11 here, we have got another 56 there. So what you are going to do, multiply these two, I'll get sine 56 degrees times cos 11 degrees. Minus, now that will be sine...
Are you sure you can do that? Because the cos is of the same angle in both terms.
Do what?
No, they have it doesn't it alternate with the angles?
Because you can't
Wait. I'm simplifying this. There's nothing wrong multiplying this and that and getting this. There's nothing wrong.
Are you not bringing in?
Wait. There is also nothing wrong multiplying this and this, because this term here is in the brackets. I'm removing the what? The brackets, eliminating the negatives. Okay? Allow me to carry on. Then we'll see if we got the same result. So that will be sine 56 times cos 11. Okay? Now, if you look at it here, the angles are the same. Right? We have got sine 56, cos 11, cos 11. Right? So, answer will be what? Get 0. Yes, it's possible. It's also possible to get an answer which is a 0. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay, wait. Let's check if my answer is right. Listen. You have got your calculator in front of you, right? Put this in your calculator. Just to verify. Put that in your calculator. Please don't be a spectator. It's what? Remember what I said earlier. When you are answering these questions here, you also have to think. Okay? Even though we may have to apply the compound angles, okay? Depending on the question you have, you also have to think. Okay? Alright? But, okay, let's say, is this the only way of doing it? Do you think there's another way? Huh? Okay, let's say, for example, you try to convert, in this case now, okay, we can convert the 56 to cos, this one here. We can convert that, okay, let's say we convert this one here to cos, okay? So that you end up having cos 34 degrees, right? Then you can leave this as is, You convert this one here to sine, and you get sine what? 80 what? Sorry, it will be 79. Now, because for this question here, having angles that like correspond for sine and cos, it can be a challenge. From here, it will be better just to write the what? The answer. Okay? Just to avoid complicating things. If you try to apply compound angles from this step, you might end up complicating things. Okay? It's very straightforward. This angle here is equivalent to that. The trig ratio is the same. Angle there is the same, angle there is the same, the trig ratio is the same. So these two are like terms, so we can get 0 there. Okay? If you try to use compound angles, maybe converting one of the angles under 11 or 56, you can end up coming up with an expression which is more complex. And it can give you problems. Alright, let's, okay, we've got 9 minutes. I wanted you to try out this question here. Like we'll head on tomorrow. Can you try that one out? Yeah.